Hi everyone, I'm Victor. Today we'll check out the different holidays happening on April 11th. Prepare to have fun with loved ones or simply relax on your own. Happy birthday to those celebrating today. You might discover a holiday below that's perfect for your special day. National Pet Day. National Pet Day is a day dedicated to celebrating the joy and companionship that our pets bring into our lives. It is an opportunity to recognize the unconditional love, loyalty, and happiness that our pets provide, and to show our appreciation for their presence in our lives. On this day, pet owners across the country take the time to spoil their furry friends with love, treats, and lots of attention. To observe National Pet Day, you can start by spending some extra quality time with your pet. Take them for a long walk, play their favorite game, or cuddle up with them on the couch. You can also show your pet some extra love by treating them to a special toy, a new treat, or a cozy bed. Additionally, you can use the day to promote responsible pet ownership by spreading awareness about pet adoption, spaying and neutering, and proper care for pets. National Submarine Day. National Submarine Day is a day dedicated to celebrating the history and achievements of the United States Navy's submarine force. It is a day to honor the bravery, skill, and dedication of the submariners who have served our country, and to recognize the vital role that submarines have played in our national defense and scientific exploration. To observe National Submarine Day, you can start by learning more about the history of submarines and their contributions to our nation. You can also show your support for our submariners by thanking them for their service and sacrifices. World Parkinson's Day. World Parkinson's Day is a day dedicated to raising awareness about Parkinson's disease, a progressive neurological disorder that affects millions of people around the world. It is an opportunity to promote understanding of the disease and its impact on individuals, families, and communities, and to support efforts to find a cure. To observe World Parkinson's Day, you can start by educating yourself and others about the disease. You can learn about the symptoms, treatments, and management strategies for Parkinson's disease, as well as the latest research and breakthroughs in the field. You can also show your support for individuals and families affected by the disease by participating in local events and activities. International Be Kind to Lawyers Day. International Be Kind to Lawyers Day is a day dedicated to recognizing and appreciating the hard work and dedication of lawyers. It is a day to show gratitude for the legal professionals who work tirelessly to protect the rights and interests of their clients and to promote justice and equality in our society. To observe International Be Kind to Lawyers Day, you can start by showing appreciation for the lawyers in your life. You can send a thank you note, a small gift, or a kind message to a lawyer who has helped you or someone you know. You can also express gratitude for the lawyers who work in your community or for important causes, such as civil rights or environmental protection. Global Day to End Child Sexual Abuse. The Global Day to End Child Sexual Abuse is a day dedicated to raising awareness about the widespread problem of child sexual abuse and to promoting efforts to prevent and address this form of violence. It is a day to recognize the devastating impact that child sexual abuse can have on individuals, families, and communities, and to commit to taking action to end it. To observe the Global Day to End Child Sexual Abuse, you can start by educating yourself and others about the issue. You can learn about the signs and effects of child sexual abuse, as well as the laws, policies, and programs that are in place to prevent and respond to it. That's it for today, and have a fantastic time celebrating.